I found a digital product on Etsy that has very low competition while generating a lot of sales in a very short period of time. And that's exactly why I recommend that you create it with me right now and start selling it on your online store. First of all, this is a digital product, which is what we're focused on because our goal is to sell digital products. If we look near the top of the listing, we can see that it made 3 sales in the last 24 hours, and the product is priced at just $1.68. If we scroll down a little, we'll see that it has a perfect 5-star rating, and all of the reviews are very recent. That tells us something very important. This product is getting a lot of sales right now. And if you look at the top of the listing, you'll notice that it's marked as a best seller, which means it has been generating strong sales on Etsy over the last 6 months. The product itself is very simple. It's an educational activity for kids that teaches children about animals and their homes. The child cuts out the animals, cuts out the animal homes, and then matches each animal to the correct home. For example, the camel belongs in the desert, the fish belongs in the water, and many more examples like that. This makes it a fun and highly educational product for children. The best part is that this product is incredibly easy to design. The pages only contain animal homes and animals that children can cut out and match later, exactly as you saw in the video. The seller is only offering 12 animals, but we're going to outperform them by offering 50 animals instead, and we'll keep the price affordable as well. This creates much stronger competition and gives buyers a clear reason to choose our product over the others. You might be asking, how are we going to come up with the names of 50 different animals? Don't worry, I've already taken care of that for you. I created a file that contains 50 animals, and next to each animal, you'll find the name of its home or habitat. Simply ask for it in the comments, and I'll send it to you directly. That will save you a lot of time and help you get started much faster. Now let's jump straight into designing this digital product. We'll head over to Canva and create a brand new design with dimensions of 11 by 8.30 inches. The first page will be dedicated to the animal homes. I want to place 4 animal homes on each page, so to divide the page into 4 sections, I'll press the letter L on my keyboard to insert a line. Then, from the line settings, I'll change the line weight to 2 and convert it into a dashed line. After that, I'll stretch it across the page so it divides the page horizontally into 2 sections. To divide the page into 4 equal sections, all I need to do is duplicate that line and rotate it vertically like this. Just like that, the page is now divided into 4 sections. Next, I'll add a second page, which will be used for the animals themselves. However, this time I want to divide the page into 9 sections because I want the animal images to be smaller than the animal homes. You'll understand exactly why we're doing that in just a moment. To do this, I'll go to Elements, search for Table, and add a table to the page. Then I'll open the table settings, change the border thickness to 2, and convert the borders into dashed lines as well. After that, I'll resize the table until it fills the entire page. And just like that, the page is now divided into 9 sections, exactly as you can see on the screen. By the way, before we continue designing this product, I created a brand new Telegram channel today. However, this will be a private channel exclusively for people who purchase my collection of 80 books. They will find the access link to the channel included with the files they receive inside the 80 book bundle. To provide even more value, every time I create a video on this channel, I'll upload all the resources they need to design the product themselves. For example, I've already added the animal file right here. When they click on it, they'll be taken directly to the file. I've also provided the link to the actual product itself so they can use it immediately, edit it, and start selling it right away without having to create everything from scratch. If they click the Canva link, it will take them directly into Canva, where they can access the finished product instantly and start selling it. This makes the entire process much easier and saves a tremendous amount of time. That's one of the extra benefits available to everyone who purchases my 80 book collection. And by the way, those 80 books have now grown to 95 books. These include PDF files and Canva links. Anyone who gets them can edit them directly and start selling them on Etsy, Amazon, or other marketplaces. These are high-quality products created using more than 7 years of experience in the digital product business. They can save you years of research, testing, and hard work. I'm genuinely confident that anyone who gets access to these books can create significant sales opportunities on both Amazon and Etsy. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the video description. I highly recommend grabbing them because I'm constantly making updates and improvements to these books, which means you'll continue receiving new and improved content over time. And that's not all. You'll also gain access to the private Telegram channel. Plus, we're regularly adding valuable bonuses and giveaways related to digital products for members of this collection. The price is currently very affordable, so if you're interested, go ahead and grab it now. That's my recommendation for you today. Now let's continue designing the product. If we go back to the file, we'll copy the first animal, which is a dog. Then we'll return to Canva and search for dog in the Elements section. You'll find plenty of images available. Simply choose the one you like and place it inside one of the 9 boxes. After that, we'll move on to the second animal, which is a cat. Once again, we'll choose an image we like and place it inside one of the remaining boxes. Using the exact same process, I'll search for all 9 animals and add their images inside these 9 sections. Once you're finished, you'll see that the page is completely filled with animals, with each animal neatly placed inside its own box. The result looks fantastic, and the process is incredibly simple. Now it's time to design the second page, which is dedicated to the animal homes. Since each page will contain only 4 homes, we'll go back to the file once again and copy the name of the first home, which is Kennel. Just like before, we'll go to the Elements section, search for a dog kennel, and place it inside one of the 4 boxes. But pay close attention to this important detail. I'm placing the kennel all the way to the right side of the box, leaving some empty space next to it. The reason is simple. Later, when the child cuts out the dog and places it beside the kennel, it will look much better and fit naturally within the activity. This is a very important tip, and I want you to follow it with every single animal home you add. For example, if we go back to the file and copy stable, which is the horse's home, I'll choose an image that matches the size and style of the horse we already selected. If I copy the horse and place it next to the stable, you'll notice that everything looks balanced and works together perfectly. Using this same method, I'll continue adding the rest of the animal homes to the second page until everything is complete. After that, all you need to do is continue the process for all 50 animals and all 50 animal homes. Then download the project as a PDF file. I've already explained in a detailed tutorial exactly how to sell digital products on Etsy and Amazon step by step, so I'll leave the link to that video below for you. And don't forget to grab my 80-book collection today while the discount is still available. You'll get access to all of the digital products we designed together directly through my private Telegram channel. Remember, this channel is available only to people who purchase the 80-book collection. That means you'll have instant access to future digital products, templates, resources, and materials that I share on the channel, making it much easier for you to create and sell products yourself. I'll see you in the next video. This is an opportunity that's hard to pass up, and I truly hope you found today's video helpful and valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.